Emerging trends in Hadoop security. Best practices for 2024. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, data security remains a top priority for organizations across the globe. As more and more companies turn to big data analytics to drive business decisions, the need for robust security measures in technologies like Hadoop becomes increasingly crucial. Hadoop security landscape in 2024. Data protection is no longer just about securing data at rest and in transit, but also about protecting data during processing and analysis. This has led to a shift towards more holistic security approaches that encompass the entire Hadoop ecosystem. Encryption and authentication. One of the key trends in Hadoop security for 2024 is the widespread adoption of encryption and strong authentication mechanisms. Encryption helps protect data both in transit and at rest, ensuring that only authorized users can access sensitive information. Strong authentication practices, such as multi-factor authentication, further enhance data security by verifying the identity of users before granting access to the data. Authorization and data privacy. Another important aspect of Hadoop security is authorization, which determines what actions users are allowed to perform on data within the Hadoop clusters. Implementing fine-grained access controls based on user roles and privileges helps prevent unauthorized access and data breaches. Data privacy regulations, such as GDPR, also play a significant role in shaping data security practices, requiring organizations to implement measures to protect user privacy and ensure compliance with data protection laws. Security solutions and compliance. In addition to the best practices mentioned above, organizations can also leverage security solutions tailored specifically for Hadoop environments. These solutions offer comprehensive security functionalities, such as threat detection, compliance management, risk assessment, and vulnerability scanning, to ensure robust data protection. Compliance with industry regulations and data privacy laws is also critical for maintaining the security of Hadoop clusters and protecting sensitive information from potential threats. Conclusion. In conclusion, the evolving landscape of Hadoop security in 2024 presents both challenges and opportunities for organizations seeking to protect their data from cybersecurity threats. By adopting best practices such as encryption, authentication, access control, threat detection, and incident response, companies can strengthen their security posture and ensure the integrity of their Hadoop environments.